Let's make this amazing chicken curry which will taste really good, and this is how Indian households make chicken curry at home. A boneless chicken curry is usually made with chicken thighs, so I'm going to wash this chicken. But if you like inborn chicken, usually whole chicken is used, which is cut into bite-sized pieces. Let's start with the marination first. Here goes 2 tablespoons full of yogurt. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon of spicy red chili, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of Kashmiri mirch. This Kashmiri mirch is just for the color. Next, add juice from half a lemon. Also add 1 tablespoon of dry fenugreek leaves. Just crush them in your hands and make a powder. Now mix all of these spices with the yogurt. I have washed and cut the chicken thighs into smaller bite-sized pieces. So mix this with the marination. Now keep this chicken in refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. You can keep it for longer for even better taste. For the gravy, you will need 1.5 onion. You have to finely chop your onion. Next, you will need few cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger, and 2 fresh tomatoes. We will make a fine puree from all of these ingredients. Once your puree is ready, let's start the cooking. Start with 1 tablespoon of Desi ghee. Usually Desi ghee is used while making chicken curry in North Indian households, but you can also go for any other cooking oil. Add 1 bay leaf, 3 cloves, 1 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now add your onions. The only secret behind a good chicken curry is how you cook your onions. For a really amazing curry, you have to cook your onions for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Cook these onions until they turn brown and they reduce to at least half. As you can see, these onions have reduced a lot. So let's add some spices. 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of spicy red chili. I will also add some water. If your onions are cooked well and you have added a good amount of oil, you can see the oil getting separated from these onions. Now add your tomato puree. Use some water for the leftover. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can cover it to speed up the cooking process. Once your masala releases most of its water, add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/3 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Cook this masala for 2 to 3 more minutes. It's time to add your marinated chicken. Now turn your heat to maximum level. Do not leave any marination in the bowl, simply add some water. You have to roast this chicken for at least 7 to 8 minutes. Initially this chicken was pink in color, but after 7 to 8 minutes, this chicken will start turning white. So let's cover this chicken and let it cook under the steam. Keep checking this chicken after every few minutes. Cook it for around 10 more minutes and you can see the oil start separating out. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala. You can check your chicken if it's cooked properly. Simply take a spoon and press your chicken. My chicken is cooked well, so this chicken curry is fully ready. As you can see, this recipe is extremely simple and the chicken turns out to be juicy and tender. Give it a try at home and let me know how it was. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.